Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a special guest.
Hello everyone, I'm Marina, Anna's sister.
And I needed some help because we are baking cinnamon rolls, so here she is.
So for the cinnamon roll recipe, we're gonna need flour, milk, salt, yeast, butter, cinnamon,
sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, heavy cream, cream cheese, eggs, and that's it you guys, so let's get started. So warming up our milk.
one gram.
Okay, perfect. I also forgot to mention that we need some vanilla sugar and vanilla extract. So I'm adding the vanilla sugar in the mixture. So here we have the milk with the butter and we added it to the mixture. Give it a good mix. We need a sticky dough, but not too sticky. Really good.
Thank you.
We need to knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. So now we need our hands. So brown sugar, and now do you want to add the cinnamon?
Yeah, sure.
3 tablespoons.
Okay.
I love cinnamon, so a little bit more is not that bad. And now we give it a good mix. And it looks like this. So this is our filling, it's ready. In the meantime, we need to wait 1 to 2 hours for our dough to double the size, and then we will continue. So we are back and our dough is now double the size. It smells so nice. So now we need to roll it. But now it's come the fun part where I need to like
Punch it.
So, woo! So the air is gone. Let's put a little bit of flour here so I can spread it a little bit better.
Do we need the cinnamon?
No. I think we need more.
More?
Yeah. Okay. I know you don't like this kind of step, so I will take it over.
Perfect. I like to watch.
Looks very good.
It smells very nice.
Yeah. So exciting.
You look like a pro.
Thank you.
Do it like a pro.
Yes. Almost perfect. We actually need this square, like this. Okay, Marina is buttering our form, and I'm gonna spread the filling on our dough. I love the smell of cinnamon.
It smells very good. It smells like Christmas.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Me too. Christmas is really my favorite holiday.
Yeah, for sure.
A lot of food.
Nice moments with family and
Friends.
friends. Yeah, of the spirit. Okay, now we need to roll our dough, and it's a very important step to roll it very tight, so in the end you don't want to like spread all the filling. So let's start.
Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you.
Looks good. Can't wait to taste it. I'm just here for the taste test.
You just came for the food?
Yes.
No, you're a big help, I would say, so not only for the food.
Thank you. You're doing an amazing job.
Thank you,
Really.
darling. Thank you. Really tight, otherwise it will open. And we don't want it.
I don't even know if that's right what I'm doing, but
Looks
it
good.
looks good.
Looks good. So ready, we rolled our dough and now we need to cut it. And the trick is we're gonna use tooth floss. So don't be scared, just use a little bit to cut it evenly. Should I do it or do you?
No, you
as
can
well?
do it. I can watch.
Looks good. So now we are cutting them and then we will rest them for another like half an hour to an hour to like double the size. You see, I needed help. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, no problem. Next time I will come at the end.
Wow. Ready? And now we're gonna leave them for another half an hour to an hour, but first we're gonna put the heavy cream in the middle, like on the bottom, so with this way they're gonna be more soft. This is the trick.
With the heavy cream inside.
Perfect. So they need to rest now and see you.
In a bit we're gonna clean up here and then we're gonna put it in the oven.
So we're back.
So after 40 minutes our cinnamon rolls have the double size, as you can see.
And they smell divine. Can't wait to eat them. But first we need to bake them.
Of course.
Let's put them in the oven. Now the rolls are in the oven
So we're gonna leave them for around 25 minutes.
in 175 degrees Celsius. And then
We're gonna eat them.
with the icing on top. So, see you in a bit. So now we're making the icing. We need butter. Should I do?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 years later.
Now we need to mix it. You're doing a good job. And some vanilla extract. Wow. So our cinnamon rolls are ready.
So excited.
They smell so good. They have this nice golden color on the top, and I think they're really soft in the inside.
Fluffy.
Yeah, really fluffy. First the icing and then we can taste them.
Perfect.
Here's the icing. So we put the icing when they're a little bit warm so it can like melt a little bit.
So they're ready with the icing. Take a look.
Can't wait to try them.
It's the time that we were all waiting for. It's the time for a taste test.
Which one you want?
I want this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I will do it.
Yeah, do it.
Let me check because this is tricky.
It's hot. Careful.
Okay.
Careful because it's hot. Ooh, look at this. How fluffy and soft.
Looks amazing.
Yeah. It smells so good.
Looks so fluffy.
And soft.
So we are ready for the taste test.
Can't wait.
Here you go.
Thank you. They're really soft.
Perfect.
So good.
Oh my god.
So yummy.
So fluffy inside. Straight from the oven, as you can see.
And also the icing, it's really nice.
It's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I can't stop eating.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat everything.
Should we say bye so we can continue eating?
A really good idea. So you guys, that's it for today's video. The cinnamon rolls are so delicious and I think it was worth it. Right, Marina?
It was totally worth it. They were so delicious. Oh my god. Like, I loved them.
Me too. I think you have to try it. Let us know in the comment if you remake it and also if you want to see Marina in more videos. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Ciao! There we go. Let's eat!